Hello students, today I will discuss about generative AI, which is a creative revelation. This is a chapter in your AI computer subject under CBSE for class 9. So let's begin. This is the first content which declare the introduction of generative AI. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to AI system. This is a cutting edge field of AI that has the power to create something new. It can generate various types of content such as text, images, video, music, and even code, programming code. These systems learn patterns from massive datasets. How it works? This system learn patterns. Either it will number pattern or it will any image pattern from massive dataset, and then use that knowledge to create something original. Next next, generative AI difference from conventional AI. Actually, in AI there are mainly two types of AI system or AI algorithms. One is supervised algorithm or supervised model, and another is unsupervised model or unsupervised algorithm. All the rest of all content, all domains is subset of these any two types of AI model or AI algorithm. One is one is supervised and another is unsupervised. Supervised algorithm or supervised model is actually called generative AI, and unsupervised model or unsupervised algorithm is actually called conventional AI. So, what is the difference between generative AI and conventional AI? Conventional AI focus on analyzing existing data to make predictions or decisions, like recommend uh, any products, something new, but it is based on trained data, not untrained data. And another is generative AI goes a step further by creating something entirely new, like generating a unique piece of art or writing a story, like that. Hence, these are main difference between generative AI and conventional AI. Next, how generative AI works. Already something it's about already discussed in first segment, how generative AI works. In this segment, it in detail. There are mainly two way. There are mainly two way uh, generative AI works. One is learning from example, and another is creating something new. Learning from example, like showing a computer tones of pictures and description of dogs. The AI learn to recognize patterns. How many legs a dog usually has, what a different breed like look like, and even the shape of their ears and tails. This is the learning from example. AI can learn from an image like that, and another is creating something new. After learning, the AI can draw its own dog. Hmm. This is the something new. So in this way, AI, generative AI works. One is learning. First step is learning from example, and another second step is after learn the example, it can create something new. If we say in simple terms, learning and creating. Learning means AI learn by analyzing a huge amount of data, or creating it uses that knowledge that knowledge to generate something new, like an unique image, or a new song, or even a creative story. Next, types of generative AI. What are the types of generative AI? Actually, four types of generative AI. One is text to image, second one text to text, third one image to image, fourth one music generation. Example of generative AI tools: Doll E2, another is Chat GPT, and Mid Journey. These are all recommended and most popular AI tools, generative AI tools. Next, what are the benefits and limitations of generative AI or AI? Benefit, what are the benefits? Benefits, we can create innovative picture, or innovative text, or innovative story. In this way, we can increase our efficiency, your efficiency, and your personalized experiences both. These are the benefits of AI. But limitation, what are the limitation? Limitation, if we call limitation, so you have to concern about fraud, cyber crime, or deep fakes, and ethical concerns and potential biases. These are the very very important matter for using AI tools. Be serious, be careful, be concerned. Next, generative AI tools. Actually, already I have said these tools: Doll E, Doll E2, and Mid Journey. These are the image generation tools. ChatGPT and Bird. These are the text generation tool, and Jasper and Copy.ai. These are the content creation tool. These tools very very most important and most popular in this today's year, but uh, today's time, most popular AI. Some ethical consideration we have to take using during use of generative AI: misinformation or disinformation. One is misinformation and another is disinformation. The potential for generating misleading or harmful content. Already I have said these. Ethical consideration. Job replacement, the impact on creative professions. Bias and fairness, ensuring that generative AI models are unbiased, do not do not perpetuate harmful state of types. These are the main ethical consideration for using generative AI tools or any AI tools. Till this content, uh, till this content is included in your textbook, AI computer subject book, and the next the content this describe about prompting method. What is prompt, element of prompt? This content also included in generative AI, but it not included in your textbook AI computer subject under CBSE Class 9. So I finished this class, today's class, till generative AI tools and ethical consideration. So today's class session is over now. Stay well, stay healthy, stay secure, stay use AI tools for creating your project, school project. But be serious, be ethical consideration concern. Stay with Paul is your Business AI Computer Learning Center and stay with me, Inkerpal. Thank you.